To DJ's Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely Range Rover Autobiography diesel. It's not our usual stock, it's coming part exchange, but we've checked it all over, and for its age and mileage, the bodywork is absolutely superb. I'll show you around. It's finished in a very dark blue, nearly black metallic. Absolutely lovely diamond cut alloy wheels. With the Vogue, you've got the top spec. Running boards as well. Wheels are in superb condition considering. Got the full HST body styling kit around the car as well. Park distance control. As you can see, the bodywork is absolutely stunning. Tinted windows. Running boards, I think I've said. Electric tailgate all working properly. Boot area is in lovely condition, and we've got the proper Range Rover rubber mats there. As you can see, you've got the twin screen entertainment system, electric tailgate. Interior in the back is absolutely lovely. Lovely contrasting interior. Lovely Autobiography sporting etched there. Memory seats. It is worn a bit here on being up front, just so you can see. The rest of it's lovely. Inside the car, it's done 119,471 miles with a very comprehensive service history. I'm not going to say it's full for the pedantic out there, but in my opinion, it's absolutely lovely service history. Just start the car up. Sounds absolutely lovely. It's very sweet. So it's got a heated steering wheel. We've got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift on the gearbox, a reverse camera with a park distance control that all works. We've got satellite navigation. It's all there. Bluetooth connectivity, media pack, so go back to the media. It does have a TV, fitted there. We've got 3-stage heated seats. Different weight driving styles, off-road styles, all-terrain, height adjustment on the suspension. Got a fridge, it's in lovely condition. Really has been kept well. So the only downside I can see is there's marks on the driver's seat, and there is a mark there on the passenger seat as well. Just so you're aware, I like to be up front, but other than that, really is in lovely condition. Obviously very high specification and a great price range car. I can't believe the price of this car. Harman Kardon Hi-Fi. So if you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.